Vans contribute a lot in the industry because buses can't go anywhere. I mean, buses everywhere buses can't go because people opt for 9 to 15 people. If they are traveling, they will opt for the vans instead of buses. So there are some destinations in India where family members of five or some group members up to 9 or 15% they are opting for van itself. So there is a greater demand in the vans in coming time in the industry. Of course, 9-seater will have a edge over the 15-seater winger because the laden weight in the winger will be lighter as compared to the 15-seater winger, and the torque value of the van will also improve with the 9 persons. One-to-one seats will be there, one-to-one seats will be there. People will be much more comfortable with the gangway and with the leg space and all these things. So, with respect to comfort and with respect to noise-free flying of these vehicles, 9-seater is much better than 15-seater as per the option by the customers. Most of the time, people when go to the plain route, just like different dhams and all these avenues, people prefer this 15-seater. When when it comes to the torque of the vehicle, they go to the hillside and all, so they prefer 9-seater because it's having a better mileage and better torque of this vehicle and better comfort also. Common type of trips, basically, most of the trips are in the plain areas, just like some dhams. I mean, people want to go some religious venues, destinations, just like Khatu and this Katra and Golden Temple, all these trips. So their winger is very comfortable. But I am not seeing any discomfort in the hill station also. But people are having the myth because of the deficiency of the rear wheel drive, they hesitate to take it to the hills itself. Winger we can't compare is the competitive product of Force. It's an in-between segment of Innova and Force. There was a vacuum between these two products for to fill up for any van. That Winger has filled up this vacuum. So Winger 9-seater basically uh, it was much more rigid in the market as of now because Force was having a monopoly in the industry for this 9-seater to 14-seater, 17-seater. But Winger basically, this is the first time that built up Winger 9-seater is there. And moreover, with respect to mileage, with respect to noise free, I mean, this technical features of this Winger, lot of people would prefer it because it's just a car like feel they are getting, all these people.